Jackfruit is a tropical fruit that is gaining popularity in the Western world for its unique taste and versatility in cooking. But did you know that it also offers a wide range of health benefits, from its high nutritional value to its potential to prevent and treat various diseases? Jackfruit is a fruit that deserves more attention from health-conscious individuals. Here are 21 key benefits of jackfruit. 1. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Jackfruit is packed with essential vitamins and minerals that are crucial for maintaining good health. 1 cup of jackfruit contains 48% of the daily recommended intake of vitamin C, 10% of the daily recommended intake of vitamin A, 6% of the daily recommended intake of potassium, 6% of the daily recommended intake of magnesium, and 3% of the daily recommended intake of iron. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the body against free radical damage. Vitamin A is important for maintaining healthy skin and eyes, while potassium helps regulate blood pressure, and magnesium is essential for strong bones and a healthy heart. 2. High in fiber. Jackfruit is an excellent source of dietary fiber, which is important for maintaining good digestive health. 1 cup of jackfruit contains 2.6 grams of fiber, which is 10% of the daily recommended intake. Fiber helps keep the digestive system running smoothly, prevents constipation, and may even reduce the risk of colon cancer. 3. Low in calories and fat. Jackfruit is a low-calorie and low-fat fruit, making it an ideal food for weight loss and weight management. 1 cup of jackfruit contains just 155 calories and less than 1 gram of fat. This makes it a great snack option for those who are trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. 4. Improves digestion. Jackfruit is high in fiber, which can help improve digestion and prevent constipation. It can also promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, which can improve overall digestive health. 5. Boosts immunity. Jackfruit is rich in vitamin C, which is an important nutrient for the immune system. It can help protect against infections and diseases by strengthening the body's natural defense. 6. Lowers risk of chronic diseases. Jackfruit is rich in antioxidants, which can help protect against chronic diseases like cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. It can also help reduce inflammation in the body, which is a key factor in many chronic diseases. 7. Regulates blood sugar levels. Jackfruit is low in the glycemic index and high in fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels. This makes it a good food choice for people with diabetes or those at risk for developing the condition. 8. Helps in weight loss. Jackfruit is low in calories and high in fiber, which can help promote weight loss. It can also help reduce appetite and prevent overeating, making it a good food choice for people trying to lose weight. 9. Promotes healthy skin and hair. Jackfruit is rich in vitamin C, which is important for healthy skin and hair. It can help promote collagen production, which can improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. It can also help prevent hair loss and promote hair growth. 10. Prevents anemia. Jackfruit is rich in iron, which is important for preventing anemia. Anemia is a condition where the body does not have enough red blood cells, which can cause fatigue, weakness, and other symptoms. 11. Strengthens bones and teeth. Jackfruit is rich in calcium, which is important for strong bones and teeth. It can also help prevent osteoporosis, a condition where bones become weak and brittle. 12. Improves vision and eye health. Jackfruit is rich in vitamin A, which is important for vision and eye health. It can help prevent age-related macular degeneration, a condition that can cause vision loss in older adults. 13. Reduces stress and anxiety. Jackfruit is rich in magnesium, which can help reduce stress and anxiety. It can also help promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. 14. Jackfruit is high in fiber, which can help treat constipation and diarrhea. It can also help promote regular bowel movements and improve overall digestive health. 15. Jackfruit is rich in vitamin C, which can help relieve asthma and other respiratory problems. It can also help reduce inflammation in the lungs, which is a key factor in many respiratory conditions. 16. Lowers blood pressure. Jackfruit is rich in potassium, which can help lower blood pressure. It can also help reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. 17. Prevents cancer. Jackfruit is rich in antioxidants, which can help prevent cancer by protecting cells from damage. It can also help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, such as colon cancer. 18. Reduces inflammation. Jackfruit is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. This can help improve overall health and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. 19. Antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Jackfruit has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help protect against infections and reduce inflammation in the body. This makes it a good food choice for people with inflammatory conditions like arthritis. 20. Natural sleep aid. Jackfruit is rich in magnesium, which can help promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. It can also help reduce stress and anxiety, which can interfere with sleep. 21. Improves cardiovascular health. Jackfruit is rich in fiber, potassium, and other nutrients that can help improve cardiovascular health. It can help reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular problems. So how can you eat jackfruit? Jackfruit is a versatile fruit that can be used in a variety of ways. Here are some ways to use fresh and canned jackfruit, jackfruit seeds, and jackfruit leaves. 1. Fresh jackfruit. When using fresh jackfruit, it is important to know how to properly prepare it. First, cut the jackfruit in half and remove the core. Then, remove the flesh from the fruit and cut it into smaller pieces. Here are some ways to use fresh jackfruit. Eat it raw as a snack. Add it to smoothies for a sweet and tropical flavor. Use it as a meat substitute in savory dishes, such as jackfruit tacos or jackfruit curry. 2. Canned jackfruit. Canned jackfruit is a convenient option for those who don't have access to fresh jackfruit. When using canned jackfruit, make sure to rinse it thoroughly before using it in a recipe. Here are some ways to use canned jackfruit. Use it as a meat substitute in savory dishes, such as jackfruit pulled pork or jackfruit burgers. Add it to salads for a sweet and savory flavor. Use it as a pizza topping for a unique twist on a classic dish. 3. Jackfruit seeds. Jackfruit seeds are often discarded, but they are edible and can be used in a variety of ways. Here are some ways to use jackfruit seeds. Roast them for a crunchy and nutritious snack. Add them to soups and stews for a protein boost. Grind them into a flour and use it as a gluten-free alternative to wheat flour. 4. Jackfruit leaves. Jackfruit leaves are often used in traditional medicine, but they can also be used in cooking. Here are some ways to use jackfruit leaves. Wrap food in jackfruit leaves before grilling or steaming for a unique flavor. Boil jackfruit leaves and drink the water as a tea for its health benefits. Use jackfruit leaves as a natural food wrapper instead of plastic wrap. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 10 amazing health benefits of jackfruit to the human body. Thanks for watching and bye for now.